Is your USB flash drive playing hide and seek? When your PC can't see your drive, it's frustrating, but don't panic. Here are the steps to fix it. First, let's cover the basics. Try a different USB port on your computer. Sometimes a port can fail. If that doesn't work, test the flash drive on another computer. This helps determine if the problem is with your PC or the drive itself. If physical checks don't help, it's time to check Windows Disk Management. Press Win+R, type diskmgmt.msc, and hit Enter. This tool shows all drives connected to your PC, even if they don't appear in File Explorer. Look for your USB drive in the list. If you see it, but it's missing a drive letter, that's an easy fix. Right-click the drive's partition, select Change Drive Letter and paths ... single quotes, click Add, assign an available letter, and click OK. Sometimes the issue is a faulty driver. Open Device Manager, expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section, and look for any devices with a yellow exclamation mark. This indicates a driver problem. To fix a driver issue, right-click the problematic device. First, try Update Driver. If that doesn't work, choose Uninstall Device. After uninstalling, unplug your USB drive and restart your PC. Plug the drive back in, and Windows will attempt to reinstall the correct driver automatically. If your drive shows up in Disk Management as RAW or unallocated, it needs to be formatted. Warning: formatting will erase all data on the drive. If you have important files, consider data recovery software first. To format, right-click the partition and select Format ... single quotes, then follow the on-screen instructions. By following these steps, you can solve most common USB detection issues. If your drive still doesn't appear anywhere, even on other computers, it may have suffered a physical failure and might need to be replaced.